Have you ever thought of setting up your own home bar? Imagine the convenience of having your favorite beverages at your fingertips and the fun of playing bartender at your own parties. The art of the perfect home bar lies not just in the drinks you serve, but in the ambiance you create and the tools you use. Whether you're a cocktail connoisseur or a casual sipper, a well-designed home bar can elevate your at-home entertaining experience. With a few expert tips, you can create a home bar that's both functional and stylish. The first step in setting up your home bar is choosing the right location. It should be a place where you can entertain guests and enjoy your favorite drinks in comfort. Now let's talk design. From rustic to modern, there's a design style for every taste. A rustic style might feature reclaimed wood and vintage accessories, while a modern design could have sleek lines and minimalist decor. Beyond style, consider the essential furniture and equipment. A sturdy bar counter is a must, of course. Some comfortable seating, like bar stools, can make your guests feel at home. And don't forget storage for your spirits and mixers. A fridge for chilling beverages and a cabinet for glassware can be very handy. Whether your home bar is a cozy corner or an expansive lounge, it's crucial to choose a design that suits your style and meets your needs. Remember, the design of your home bar should reflect your personal style and the atmosphere you want to create. Creating the right atmosphere is key to enhancing the experience of your home bar. Let's start with lighting and decoration. Soft, warm lighting can create a cozy, inviting ambiance, while bold, dramatic lighting can add a touch of sophistication. Don't forget about the decorations. They should reflect your personal style and the theme of your bar. Next, let's talk about music and theme setting. The music should complement the mood you're trying to set. Whether you're going for a classic jazz vibe, a lively dance party, or a relaxed lounge setting, the music will set the tone. Lastly, hospitality and bar etiquette should never be overlooked. Making your guests feel welcome and comfortable is paramount. Always remember to provide a variety of drink options, cater to your guests' preferences, and ensure everyone drinks responsibly. With the right atmosphere, your home bar can become the perfect place for entertaining guests or unwinding after a long day. Now, let's talk about what you'll need to stock your home bar. First and foremost, you'll need some essential bar tools. A cocktail shaker, a jigger for measuring, a muddler for crushing ingredients, a strainer to keep ice and other bits out of your drinks, and a bar spoon for stirring and layering. Don't forget a quality corkscrew and a good knife for cutting fruit. Moving on to spirits, the basics for a well-stocked bar include vodka, gin, rum, tequila, and whiskey. You'll also want to have some mixers on hand, such as tonic water, club soda, and a variety of fruit juices. Don't forget the bitters, an essential part of many classic cocktails. Speaking of cocktails, it's a good idea to have a few recipes up your sleeve. For beginners, start with classics like the martini, margarita, or old-fashioned. Each of these only requires a few ingredients and is easy to master with a little practice. For the more advanced home bartenders, why not try your hand at modern variations? Think of a smoky martini with a dash of Islay Scotch or a spicy margarita with a kick of jalapeno. The possibilities are endless, and part of the fun is experimenting to find your unique twist. With the right tools and a selection of spirits, you can mix up a variety of drinks to suit any taste. Keeping your home bar clean and organized is essential for its longevity and your enjoyment. Regular cleaning and maintenance ensure your bar remains in top condition and your spirits retain their quality. Store your spirits in a cool, dark place and keep your accessories clean and dry. Now let's tackle some common questions about home bars. Question 1. How much space do I need for a home bar? A home bar can be as big or compact as you want. Even a small cart or a corner of your living room can serve as a functional bar. Question 2. What spirits should I stock in my home bar? The basics include vodka, gin, rum, tequila, whiskey, and a selection of mixers. Question 3. How can I set up a budget-friendly home bar? Start small with essential tools and a few spirits. You can always expand later. With these tips, your home bar will not only look great, but it will also serve you well for years to come.